apps folder. So the Satio comes with a Facebook widget that is different from Nokia's widget. I tried installing Nokia's widget and it never worked. Well, now it's asking me to log in, but basically from my previous experience with this particular widget, it works one time out of 20, maybe. It only worked one time for the whole time that I've had the Satio with me. So, and I usually try to use it like 2 or 3 times every day, and it never works. So what it does is that it displays me, then all my contacts in some sort of web, web as in spider web not as in internet web, some sort of web, so me and my connections and people that are connected to them and stuff like that, and with numbers, and then it has some icons on the bottom, or on the top, I can't remember that very well, but everything I clicked on within that application took me to the Facebook mobile website. So basically it's just one screen, and everything I click on will open the mobile website, so it's not very useful. Now these are applications that I've downloaded myself, and they work like a charm. So I have like Gravity running, full screen mode, white theme, works like a charm. And we go into my timeline, back, my different accounts, Twitter search, images taken with the Satio that I can upload, and whoop, this is my own account, so just click on a tweet, reply, retweet, whatever I want to do. Everything works like a charm, as I said. There is no issue whatsoever with Gravity on the Satio. Works like it should work on any 65th edition device. Then we have Handy Taskman, which also works like a charm. The Gmail Java client, Screen Snap in order to take some screenshots, and then we have all the widgets that I've been downloading. We have here one game that came pre-installed on the Satio, and this is Labyrinth by Illusion Labs. This is basically like a marble maze, and use the accelerometer to drift the ball through the maze. So there are 5 different packs, and they get more difficult with time, and each pack has 10 different levels. So here you can see like the status, everything that is green, everything that is green is something that I've played and that I've finished. Everything that is red is something that I'm stuck on. As you can see on the 4th and the 5th pack, I'm still stuck on the 1st level. 3rd one, I'm stuck on the 3rd level, and the 2nd one, I'm stuck on the 7th, I suppose, level. It gets very hard with time, but let's just show you how it works. As you can see, I'm steering up, and it fell. The goal of the game is to go into the this is basically I pretty much like a lot the graphic of the game, because as you can see there's a 3D effect here. So here, for example, if I'm tilting the device like this, I can see this side of the wall. Let's go here and tilt it like this, and I can see the other side of the wall. I don't know if you can see it very well. So I can see the other side of the wall. It's, let's go in, pink, and congratulations, I finished it. Anyway, the game is very nice, and I enjoyed playing it a lot. The graphics are very well done, and it gets very hard with time, so let's show you a little bit. This is like the 1st level on the 5th pack. I can't imagine what the last level would look like. I mean, you have to be like very much in control of whatever you're trying to do in order to get through everything here. Well, anyway, as I said, this game came pre-installed on the Satio. This isn't something that I installed myself. Then there's Dichok Cafe Sudoku. It's a Java game from Gameloft that came installed also. Then we have an app shop, and right now you can't shop for anything in it. It just opens a page and tells you 0 results out of 0, so nothing. Then we have MyLook. I actually haven't been able to make this work, but what it does is that it switches the wallpaper on the main home screen between different wallpapers according to time or shake or location. So for example, every 30 minutes I can have it to change the wallpaper, or I can have it change the wallpaper with a shake of the device, or have it change the wallpaper with my cell ID location. And for everyone there's a setting, so it allows me to choose the significance, and then I can also go into the major settings, and this isn't in here, I suppose. I can go into image manager, and this allows me to add the pictures that I want to the wallpaper to change or to switch between. So then we have YouTube, which also came pre-installed but has the same problem as Google Maps. So I can't install an updated version of the YouTube. Let's go into about. This is the about, and this is the version that is installed on the Satio. I tried installing a new one on top of it, and it gave me update failure. But it's the same version as in everything, and this is something I've been searching for. A joke from Walter, a character from Jeff Dunham's The Ventriloquist. So this is the result. Keep in mind that I'm on Edge, so right now it's gonna connect and try to load, and it'll be very slow, but anyway, you can see it working. It's not in full screen, we still have the bars here, but well, you can't update it, and that's a bummer. Oh, up. Menu, exit. What else came installed? SMS preview from Mobile Nordic, and I'm not sure if this is like a trial version or not, but well, it came pre-installed on it. Then there are like this is the Facebook widget that is available for a 65th edition from the OV store. I tried downloading it here, but every time I launch it, it gives me an API error. Then we have a lot of icons here that mean nothing to you, but there are crash loggers for the Sony Ericsson people to see what went wrong and why. Then here we have things that I've never used. We have applications that I've installed myself, like the Opera mini browser. Then we have web publishing. This is something that came on the Satio, and what it allows me to do is to publish images or videos to different services. We have Picasa Web, Blogger, and if I want it, I could add Flickr as well as YouTube and other. With other, if I have an email address, should solve the problem. So I have added PixelPipe as another option here. Let's get back here. We have PixelPipe. Anyway, this is the nice. Stop. Back. This is like Sony Ericsson's version of Nokia's Share Online. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Web publishing. This is like Sony Ericsson's version of Share Online for Nokia, and I've been testing it a little bit with Picasa as well as PixelPipe. Works. It's not as elegant as Share Online, but it does work. So